Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we invite engineer Wang to explain how to maintain and lubricate the EPS cutting line. 1. Importance of lubrication and maintenance. The lubrication and maintenance of the EPS cutting line is a key link to ensure the normal and efficient operation of the cutting line. Proper lubrication can reduce the friction and wear between equipment parts, extend the life of the equipment, and reduce the failure rate. 2. Specific operations of lubrication and maintenance. Determine the oil filling point, oil filling cycle, and required lubricating oil according to the manual. Inspection and confirmation. After completing the lubrication, check the lubrication of various parts of the equipment to ensure that the lubricating oil is evenly distributed and there is no oil leakage. Regular, quantitative, and designated person to carry out maintenance and lubrication. In order to ensure the good operating condition of the EPS cutting line, we need a regular, quantitative, and designated person's maintenance and lubrication plan to ensure timely and effective maintenance and lubrication of the equipment. Training before equipment handover. Before the equipment is handed over, we need to train the new equipment users in lubrication and maintenance. The training content should include the lubrication requirements of the equipment, the location of the lubrication points, the type of lubricating oil, and the amount of filling, etc. Through training, new equipment users can quickly familiarize and master the lubrication and maintenance methods of the equipment, ensuring that the equipment can operate normally and efficiently. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.